Sanibonani. Namhlanje kade ngiyothenga lapha eMapakistan ugwayi. Khona iPakistan sesijwayelene nalo. Ngathi kimi, my friend, ungatsheli bantu because nami sengiphusha le stock ngihambe. Ngingabe nisathenga iproduct eyenziwa yilabantu bangakithi. Uthi mina nginamaphepha ngiphelele ngayo yonke into. Kodwa emithingini ebesinayo izinto seyipoison kakhulu even ugwayi. Wathi lo engimika wona makuphela lona nami ngisawustokha. Angifuni ukuba nesono sokubulala abantu abangenacala. Ukubuya kubantu laba base-Ethiopia, Somalia, ngingakuthengi. Wakahle nje kube kuya ngaye ngabude ngiy'tolo zabafa bekumanje. Baplane into enkulu kakhulu.
Ngicabanga late kwayilo. Ngithe ngiqalekile ngayibuza ukuthi ayikhona. Wanokuyiphilisa ngalo gwayi phela ngeke iziphilisi leli ngalo. Ifuna ningisuseleni bakithi. Bukani. Ngazi mawuthi upoison obulalayo lo, bukani. Ngifuna nibuke izwe lethu. Sizofela ubala izweni lethu, bukani. Kusaphuma ugwayi kwamanje. Cela nibhekeleke, sibhekeni le ephuma manje. Bukiseni bakithi. Yini le. Khona ugwayi nje. Ukhona bakithi ugwayi nje South Africa. Poison phela lo. Uloke bayabona ukuthi abantu lokho ukuthi bathenge sebethanda ukuxwaya bayabona ukuthi amadela kufila wabhemayo. Qwashani ke bakithi ungalakhi ingcwaba nge5 nge10. Xakekisa umndeni nge10 nge5. Ugwayi awuyona impilo yakho, unga-abuswa yinto eyisidakamiswa njengogwayi. Ugwayi nje akuyona into onga-defenda kuyona ukuthi ungalala uphila usuphile noma ulala usuthi. Nangu ugwayi bakithi philisi leli. Basobhani abahambe laba.
Ntombi e-ofisini namhlanje bekufike my friend kanye ngosesawuvana nge4:10 wayosichazela uba bebambe imeeting bengamasomali namaPakistan. Uba ke ngoku isitokwe sonke sikhona eshop masifakwe ipoison. Wena chepis, wena cuba, wena ntoni masifakwe ipoison then basithengisele sitye ziphume bafuna ushiya embubhana. So ke girl ndicela ungaphindi uyothenga ko my friend. Dibana nedolophu ntombi. Ubomi bakho worth more than uyothenga ko my friend eGoogle no olwama ngaphinda atye into zo my friend. If it costing us ungamthengela ezi chips like izokuphatha esikolweni like yonke into ithengwe edolophini ezishophini ezilegit. Please girl. La mfana uthilo wathi uzosixelela because of besimncedise ngecase yakhe ye-divorce. Saphinda simncedisana nangebusiness lakhe samregistera pha e-ofisini so i-client yethu. Uthi uvele wacinga athini uba like sine-families zethu or ke ngoku akanokwazi ukosiluza over this. Washo esithi akazokwazi uba ngasixeleli 1 2 kuthiwe mabasayine bavawe uba like wonke shop bazakwenza loo nto. Ndicela nake shop yasemthatha eza lapha kodutywa kwabantu bani yonke this external coast. So ke ntombi andiyazi uba nabalapho bebengizilwanye bebengasangana ngoba uthi konke uyokhuphuka koDurban bebekhona bonke bengamaPakistan bebambe lo mhlangano. So ke ntombi please undincede hlukana nesito zo my friend. Hlukana sisuba into uyityiwe iphele sekulate awakwazi uyithenga linda ke ngomso utye kusweet uye edolophini please.
Bafast seyityile ke sana abantwana bam sebeyityile. Nansi upilisi wokuqala. Nazo ezinye. Instant. Nasi. Phuke nophuka. Anse nento engathi iglass endingayaziyo. Nasi. Nazo ezinye. Oh. Nansi. Nansi. Ezipeki ke zoyi-2 bezinepilisi sibonele eqala kuze sivulele. Sibonele sebeyityile. Inepilisi savula le intsha kanti nayo.
Sweet nazi iTaxi nezwe ingane namhlanje kuseni manje nazi bayithathile ngiyazilahla yona evidence le ukuthi iTaxi bayithathile abantu abami bathi bafuna ukungikhombisa nazi iTaxi ngicela niqaphele guys ngicela niqaphele sebefikile naseNazaretha iNazaretha ndephinde uvuye sebefikile basobhanike.
Kunjani? Iy'ngane zibhubhile ngapha ngakithele ngoma asingabisamniki asimali. Amandi asefaka odoti emasnacksini. Iy'ngane zangakithi u48 wonke ilenga iseMaritzburg. Bethuthwa iy'moto emini ngiyabona namafoni.
On a serious note, on the food poisoning thing, we've already gotten the videos and the chips that they are using. They are targeting young kids, and it's a slow poison. So if people are going to carry on buying from these illegal shops and spaza shops, they are going to consume this poison, but it will take like 2 years for a person to die. So it's not a poison that is going to kill people now. So that's why people must be very careful, and they must stop right away. From tomorrow, the 1st of June, nobody must buy from spaza shops. But people, you know, sometimes are stubborn. They will still go and buy from those shops. Unfortunately, there's a collateral damage from any war that is fought in the world. And sometimes that is going to happen even if we are not anticipating it. So we are calling on our people. Siyacela abantu bakithi, siyacela kusukela kusasa umhla ka1 June 2026. Sicela abantu bakithi beyeke ukuthenga ezitolo zabantu bokufika sekufakwe opoison emachipsini. Into ebivele ikhona le. Ziningi izingane seyifile vele. Kodwa lokhu sebekwenza mawala, bazokwenza mawala kulenyanga kaJune. Okubhlungu ukuthi bafaka upoison ongeke ukubulala same time. Upoison ozokubulala mhlamba after 2 years. So you'll be see them be happy be die papa South Africa. They know ukuthi 1 million people in the next 2 years are going to die. So stop buying from these shops yama foreigners as from tomorrow. Stop. Ufuke uqhubekileke vele ke phela bakithi sesiyothini phela ngoba phela wena uyithandela ukudla kwabantu uxoxeka kamnandi nabo i-dick sweet into ababhizi ngayo ama sweet i-dick sweet ilama energy drinks abayikhandela wona ema shops awo nama grandpa nogwayi nama chips ezingane lawa izona ke izinto ababhizi ngazo kakhulu abafuna ukuyilokuza ngisho coke bayikhandele yabi coke naleyo coke bayifaka ubuthi phakathi. So please stay healthy, love yourself, love your country, and play a part in making it great.
Futhi maqhubeka kanjalo umuntu mangabe besemcimeni ogcina seyedlela isipheko sakhe manje ngoba uzoyifika le drink yakho uyiphuzela yona.